Hello everyone, I'm Eric and welcome to Wiezys Trading. If you're looking for high quality MT4 and MT5 indicators, you're in the right place. On this channel you'll find custom indicators, free releases, tutorials, real chart examples showing how I use the tools I develop. Whether you're interested in momentum, order flow, trend confirmation, or price action, my goal is to create clean, reliable trading tools that help you better understand what the market is doing. Many of my indicators you see on this channel are available completely free in my Telegram community. Everyone on this chart. All free on my Telegram community. I'm constantly working on new indicators and new ideas and releasing new tools. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe and join my Telegram community. There are plenty more free indicators already in development, and we're just getting started. Thanks for stopping by and welcome to Wiezys Trading. I'll see you in the next video. This channel is for educational purposes only. Trading does involve risk. Have a good one.